my board exams on the 27th, and the first exam is painting. This is perhaps the first time ever in my entire lifetime that I feel like I've finished the syllabus more than one day before the exam. I mean, it's usually me one day before the exam sitting and cramming everything, but this time it's kind of different, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like it. There's a little less pressure of getting everything done in the last minute, but I also really feel like I need to practice a lot more, like the answer writing part and PYQs. So today I have this target that I hope I'm able to meet. I'm going to focus on logical reasoning today, and a little bit of quantitative aptitude, and a whole lot of painting theory syllabus. And after that, I switched to quantitative aptitude and my daily practice of maths and quantitative, because that's my weaker area and it is obviously very important for any competitive exam. And alongside boards, I also did not want to compromise on my preparation of the competitive exams that I will be appearing for. So, if you are an 11th grader who's watching this video, one tip that I would give you is do not skip additional subjects का टेस्ट और एग्ज़ाम जो भी है, क्योंकि वो ज़रूरी होता है, वो बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. What I did in my 11th grade was just ignore all these subjects, and I used to treat them as just like an additional subject that does not matter. But the truth is, it matters, and it can make a huge difference in your overall aggregate. Because I was taking all those tests in my school throughout the session, and I gave all the exams and I studied for them, took the subject seriously, right now I am not afraid for my life. That's one academic lesson that I learned in my 11th grade and have carried forward with me in my 12th grade, and now it's helping me in my final board exams. So do that. So here I was going through some previous year questions that I got through Claude, and I would really recommend for you guys, if you want to use a good AI tool for studying, Claude is a really good one. I recently discovered that and it has been working really well for me. So yep, that's me practicing previous year questions and answer writing. The grind continued the next day with some more answer writing and previous year questions, also making sure that my answers were more structured and included the keywords. Anyways, I'm going to tell you this backstory of how I took the painting subject. When I was done with my 10th board exams, my teacher suggested that I should take up the subject. I took it up thinking that it was going to be a cakewalk, but let me tell you, one thing that it is not is easy. It's not easy, it's all history and it's theory. There's a lot of memorization and it's never easy at all. Okay, कल एग्ज़ाम है और अब सिर्फ लास्ट मिनट रिवीजन बाकी है, और आई वॉन्ट टू सॉल्व सम मोर प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस. तो एक बार इसको रिवाइज करेंगे और उसके बाद आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस एज मेनी एज आई कैन. आई विल ट्राई कि जितने भी मतलब एटलीस्ट पिछले 5 साल तक के जो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस है वो सारे ख़त्म हो जाए, even if I'm not writing all of it, but at least take a glance at all of them and the keywords and all of it. And also hope कि कल का एग्ज़ाम बहुत अच्छा जाए, and I pray and I have been praying a lot. Please अच्छा जाए एग्ज़ाम. And then I went on to revise all the art schools, making sure that I don't forget everything. I really don't want to leave any stones unturned this time, and somehow I feel like very नर्वस राइट नाउ बिकॉज अब एग्ज़ाम बहुत ही ज़्यादा नज़दीक है, एंड आई कांट बिलीव दैट आई थॉट कि हम 9-10 बजे तक सो जाएंगे और फिर उठेंगे कल आराम से एकदम सुबह सुबह उठेंगे, रात को जल्दी सो जाएंगे एंड ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से. टाइम पे नहीं सो पा रहे हैं क्योंकि स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, और अब हो रहा है स्ट्रेस. उतने टाइम से नहीं हो रहा था, अब एग्ज़ाम होने वाला है, अब इट हैज़ किक्ड इन एंड नाउ आई एम सुपर स्ट्रेस्ड. ओके, बाय द वे आई गॉट न्यू ग्लासेस एंड ये आज ही रिसीव हुआ है. आई डोंट नो, व्हेन आई वोर देम इन द शॉप आई लाइक देम, बट घर पे आने के बाद आई डोंट लाइक हाउ इट लुक्स ऑन मी. अभी लाइटिंग में थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है बट पता नहीं दिन में अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. इट्स रियली गिविंग आदित्य फ्रॉम जब वी मेट. वाज इट आदित्य or was it And then I continued to take a glance at some more previous year questions, the keywords, the structures of the answers, and some more answer framing techniques so that I don't forget things in the exam hall. Okay, so I got done with my paper, and I think the question paper was pretty easy and nice and good. और एग्ज़ाम अच्छा गया बट आई थिंक मेरा टाइम मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स थोड़ा सा उतना अच्छा नहीं है, तो आई नीड टू वर्क ऑन दैट. हाउएवर आई डिड कंप्लीट माई आंसर्स. सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस आते थे लकीली एंड आई वाज वेरी एंशियस. बट अब एग्ज़ाम हो गया है. नाउ विल वेट फॉर द रिजल्ट्स एंड सी कि एग्जैक्टली अच्छा हुआ है या नहीं.